Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you our 71 Ford F100 four-wheel drive. Actually come from a relative of mine out in Western South Dakota, off a cattle and buffalo ranch. So that's why you're going to see some dings in her and stuff. They used her as a ranch truck. So quite a few dings. Rust isn't too bad except for in the floor, a little bit in the box where they probably had something laying in there. A newer seat in it that doesn't match. 4-speed, 360 4-speed's what it is. Shows 2215. That's probably knowing where they live, probably 102. So one crack in the dash. Looks like they added a little speaker in there. Headliner's still there. Pretty clean right here, but like I said, red Flintstone right there. Still need some floor work. Inside of the doors ain't bad, but dents and stuff and definitely scratches up here. But a pretty solid truck. Couple bad spots, like I said, must have had something laying on there and then it just ate it out right there. Obviously in Western South Dakota we use trucks to work, so they had a ball in it. Pull probably a small fifth wheel trailer. Box on the outside is pretty good. There's a little Bondo on the driver's side, but on this side it looks pretty good. And so is the toolbox on this side. So dent here, I'm sure they went through a gully and the box touched the frame. A little bit of dent, I mean not the frame, the cab. So if you're looking for, I call them driving projects, drive it the way it is, use it. Patina's kind of in. This got some good natural West River, South Dakota patina. Got some good tough tires on it. Got lockouts, so ready to go and get yourself an affordable classic truck. 605-695-7391.